So if you're a fresher and you are looking for non-coding IT jobs, I'm going to share a few of the IT jobs which are not required any coding experience, and you can easily enter into the software field as a fresher. So the first one is help desk specialist. The main role of this help desk specialist job is you have to assist the customers with troubleshooting issues, hardware issues. Also, you have to give answers for technical questions through either voice process or non-voice process. Means you have to provide the IT support for the end users or customers. So this is one of the non-coding jobs you can easily enter into the software field without coding experience as a fresher. And second job is a data analyst job. So data analyst job is one of the demand IT job in software industry for freshers as well as experienced professionals. If you are good at any one business intelligence tool like Power BI or Tableau, and you have basic knowledge on database concepts like SQL basic concepts, and also you should have sound knowledge on advanced Excel, then you can easily become a data analyst. And third job is the business analyst. So the junior business analyst people can give assistance to the senior people by gathering the requirements, analyzing the requirements, and creating the reports for business projects. So this kind of work will be done by the junior business analyst people. Next one is network administrator or cyber security related jobs. So for fresher, you can expect the job role is a network administrator, and you should also cover network related concepts like routers, HTTPS, TCP/IP, okay, and some hardware components. You must have knowledge on these concepts. Next job is quality assurance associate. The main job role is you have to test the software and application for functionality and usability, and you have to generate the report bugs, and you have the defects. The main activities of quality assurance specialist. The last one is cybersecurity analyst. Cybersecurity analyst also very demand in software industry and in the future as well. Okay, so if you are interested, you can start to learn cybersecurity course certifications. Okay, I know there are a number of IT jobs also there without coding also. Okay, so based on your interest, based on your education background, you have to choose your IT course. Okay, so if you still have any doubts, please comment in the comment section. And if you have and if you really love this information, don't forget the like button. Okay, so I will come back with one more useful content video. Till then, thank you very much.